most common elective surgery procedure in the world is plastic surgery or cosmetic surgery. Plastic surgery is a surgical specialty involving the restoration, reconstruction, or alteration of the human body. It can be divided into two main categories: reconstructive surgery and cosmetic surgery. Plastic surgery abroad is gaining popularity with each passing day. Thanks to long waiting lists and reasonably high prices, more and more patients are flying to other countries where treatment is affordable, timely, and effective. In this video, we will talk about the best countries for cosmetic surgery outside of the United States based on nurses' opinion and evidence-based summation. Before we jump to number 5, we would like to acknowledge 3 countries that narrowly missed our list: Malaysia, Mexico, and Greece. 5. Brazil. Brazil is a South American country that is synonymous with beauty and wonder. The country's female population is obsessed with plastic surgery, and that is why there are many surgeons that are practicing. Brazil is the leading country in cosmetic surgery procedures in Latin America every year by number of procedures. A focus view shows not only in terms of the numbers of procedures completed annually, but also in terms of medical professionals following safety protocols for their patients. Rio de Janeiro is considered one of the world capitals of plastic surgery, and Brazil overall is recognized for its innovations, particularly in the realm of cosmetic surgeries. JCI-accredited hospitals and highly skilled and trained doctors can also easily be found in Brazil. Another reason why it is a popular destination for plastic surgery is that the procedure is exempted from tax. That means that cosmetic procedures are relatively affordable compared to other countries. One more point the International Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgeons, ISAPS, makes views Brazil as one of the top 5 countries when it comes to the highest number of plastic surgery procedures performed overall. 4. India. India is one of the best countries to get plastic surgery. Plastic surgery in India is an ideal choice if you want to make some changes to your body without incurring huge expenses. The country has over 5,000 active cosmetic surgeons. Plastic surgeons in India are not only experts in the industry, they undergo a rigorous training process before becoming qualified and certified by the Medical Council of India. Quality is of utmost importance when undergoing plastic surgery, which is why India is renowned globally for its impeccable standards. India's first-rate hospitals offer services to certify high-quality plastic surgeries at affordable prices. So, if you are coming from another country, it is worth coupling a vacation with surgery abroad, as it is often considerably less expensive than in the West. Also, India has advanced technologies for non-invasive surgical procedures, leading to no or very minimal side effects. Also, there are many new advancements like stem cell breast augmentation. The ISAPS report also revealed that India was where the most total body and extremities procedures were performed globally. About 1,530,317 body aesthetic surgeries in India have been performed annually, contributing to 36.5% of global surgeries. 3. Thailand. Nicknamed the Land of Smiles, but its name means Land of the Free. Thailand, never been colonized by Europeans. Now, Europeans are flocking there for plastic surgery, as well as the rest of the world. Why, you ask? Let's get into it. Many top-rated hospitals in Thailand offer advanced medical equipment and technology, including operation rooms, recovery rooms, and extremely high service for patient satisfaction. Many of the country's facilities are recognized by the Joint Commission International. This organization supports high standards of care in more than 90 countries. The first-class hospital treatment healthcare system contributes to the appeal for medical tourists. With more than 2 million people visiting Thailand each year for medical treatment, that is 60% of all the tourists visiting the country. Thailand has been dominating the Southeast Asian medical tourism industry, particularly in the fields of cosmetic surgery, anti-aging treatments, breast augmentation, facelifts, IVF, plus non-invasive procedures like Botox injections, soft tissue fillers, chemical peel, laser hair removal, skin tightening, thermage, Ulthera. non-invasive fat reduction, and body contouring. No wonder, with the influx of successful medical tourism, it has contributed to just under 20% of the GDP in Thailand, which is amazing, especially with reasonable fees for medical services. Compared to the United States, Canada, or Europe, fees are 50% to 80% less. 2. Turkey. This beautiful country remains one of the cheapest places globally to get plastic surgery while simultaneously preserving a high quality of medical service and outcomes. 2,000 plastic surgery, cosmetic, and dental procedures are performed daily in Turkey, as ISAPS reports. It's very safe to get cosmetic procedures in Turkey. Since medical tourism is a large portion of their tourism, they have developed a world-renowned healthcare culture. The Turkish government recognizes and actively protects its position as a global leader in medical tourism. In order to maintain its reputation in exemplary healthcare, the Turkish Ministry of Health empowers an independent Turkish medical association to ensure all public and private health providers comply with strict international health standards with frequent inspections. To that point, Turkey ranks second globally for the number of hospitals accredited by Joint Commission International and for the number of plastic surgeons. All these standards ensure world-class surgeons and high-quality hospital care. It takes around 13 years of training to become a fully qualified plastic surgeon in Turkey. It's not an easy route to take, and it requires skill, dedication, and expert knowledge from those studying. This is why Turkey is a top destination. Plus, Turkey's hospital fees are 90% cheaper than what patients need to pay for similar services. 1. South Korea. Known sometimes as the cosmetic surgery capital of the world. South Korea has been ranked as one of the top countries for plastic surgery tourism in Asia. More people are catching wind outside of Asia for their Class A work that they do with their cosmetic procedures. Cosmetic surgery is also popular within South Korea, which is one of the reasons for the influx of medical tourists. According to recent statistics, 1 in 3 South Korean women has had plastic surgery. South Korea is home to some of the best plastic surgeons who stay on the cutting edge by developing new innovative procedures, also keeping up with advancements and technological advancements in their fields. United States versus South Korea, they are similar in the most performed plastic surgery procedures. That's where the similarity ends. South Korea procedures are significantly cheaper. South Korea also leads the world in non-invasive procedures such as botulinum toxin and hyaluronic acid chemical peels. Focused ultrasonography for collagen fiber contraction are the most common procedures that are performed. Overall restoration and maintenance of youthful-appearing skin is one SK is passionate about. Added note, notably, one district in Seoul, Gangnam, has even been termed the Beauty Belt, as it has between 400 and 500 clinics and hospitals that offer cosmetic procedures and surgeries. Such a high saturation of supply in the market may drive prices down. Cost of plastic surgery in South Korea. South Korea is one of the famous countries for plastic surgery. The price of plastic surgery in South Korea is typically much lower than in other places, such as the United States or Western Europe. The main reason for this is that patients can choose the surgeon and price according to their needs.